Hello, everyone. My name is Shonda Banks. I currently work at a behavioral health hospital that services patients that have a variety of mental health disorders, as well as we service people with detox from different substance abuse, as well as substance abuse treatment. I work in the intake department, which is the admissions department. What I do is pretty much verify insurances before the patients arrive to us. Also, once they do arrive in the intake department, is what I help them with signing their consents, get them all signed in, kind of give them an overview of our facility, as well as build their chart and get them ready for the unit. What I have learned most, what I enjoyed most about my past courses would definitely have to be the communication part of um, of our learning, which was primarily in our very first course. I particularly enjoy the nonviolent communication, learning about that. That was very interesting to learn to me. But I want to wish everybody the best of luck and goodbye.